2025 Ram 1500. MSRP $42,370 to $89,170. Highs: superior ride quality. Available with a smooth and powerful twin-turbo inline-six, upper trims offer luxury car cabins. Lows: can't tow as much as rival pickups. Some buyers might miss the HEMI V8. Plush's versions are weighed down by massive price tags. Verdict: the 2025 Ram 1500 is a truck that exists at the intersection of elbow grease and indulgence. Specs: EPA MPG 17 to 23 combined, seating 5 to 6 seats, powertrain gas, drivetrain rear-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, limited warranty 3 years and 36,000 miles. Overview: combining capability and comfort is the Ram 1500's specialty, and this full-size pickup gets a host of upgrades for 2025 to keep it dominant in its segment. In fact, the 1500 has been so consistently dominant that it has earned a spot on our 10 Best Trucks list 7 years in a row, including 2025. It offers a choice of 6-cylinder engines, a base V6, or a twin-turbo inline-six in 2 different output levels. The latter replaces the old HEMI V8 and makes up to 540 horsepower. A Rebel model provides more off-road prowess, but the half-ton Ram is best when configured for luxury. High-end trims, such as the limited and new top-of-the-line tungsten, do their best impression of class-above vehicles while still delivering workhorse skills. The Ram can't tow as much as rivals such as the Ford F-150 and the Chevy Silverado, but its maximum capacity is still high enough that most buyers won't complain. As one of our favorites in its segment, the Ram 1500 has also earned a spot on our Editor's Choice list for 2025.
What's new for 2025? For 2025, Ram gives its full-size truck a facelift and other upgrades. The HEMI V8 has been dropped in favor of a new twin-turbocharged inline-six with either 420 or 540 horses. The truck's exterior styling tweaks are minor, but they make it look more modern and as handsome as ever. New lighting elements, wheel designs, and a freshened color palette are all part of the refresh. Inside, the standard 8.4-inch touchscreen is replaced by a larger 12.0-inch one, and an even larger 14.5-inch display is now available. A 10.3-inch passenger side screen is also now an option. The Ram 1500 has been the fanciest truck on the road over the past few years, but a new range-topping tungsten model promises to up the ante, with quilted leather upholstery, massaging seats, and upscale features such as a 23-speaker clip stereo. This year also marks the launch of the Ram Charger plug-in hybrid and the Ram 1500 REV.
Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Ram 1500 starts at $42,370 and goes up to $89,170 depending on the trim and options. Tradesman, $42,370, HFE, $43,155, Bighorn, $47,030, Warlock, $56,355, Laramie, $62,125, Rebel, $66,290, Limited, $77,250, Longhorn, $77,745, Tungsten, $89,170. Ram has fancied up the 2025 1500 with a new top-end tungsten trim that features quilted leather upholstery, 24-way adjustable seats with massage, and a suede headliner. Sounds nice, right? Well, it's nearly $90,000, so it ought to be. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Ram 1500 offers V6 and twin-turbo inline-six gasoline powertrains that pair with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. The base V6 is assisted by a 48-volt hybrid system and makes 305 horsepower. The twin-turbo inline-six, which Ram calls Hurricane, makes either 420 or 540 horsepower. We sampled the 540 horsepower version of this engine in a crew cab limited 4x4 truck, and we're convinced it's more than enough power for truck duty. It's also an impressively refined engine. The 420 horsepower version of this engine also provides plenty of grunt. For adventurous folk, the rugged Rebel model provides beefier looks and legitimate off-road capability. Every Ram 1500 has a comfortable ride thanks to a rear suspension that uses standard coil springs versus the traditional leaf spring setups found on domestic rivals. Models with the optional air suspension have an adjustable ride height, which aids fuel efficiency and off-road performance. 0 to 60 mph times. In our testing, the 2025 Ram 1500 Limited 4x4 Crew Cab with the 540 horsepower version of the Hurricane Inline 6 got to 60 mph in a swift 4.2 seconds. Towing and payload capacity. The maximum towing capacity for the 2025 Ram 1500 is 11,580 pounds. The 1500 can also carry a payload of up to 2,300 pounds. That's less than rival pickups from Ford and Chevrolet, which both currently top 13,000 pounds. If you want a Ram that can tow more, consider the new Ram Charger plug-in hybrid, which can tow 14,000 pounds. There's also the heavy-duty Ram HD lineup that boasts a maximum towing capacity of 37,090 pounds. Fuel economy in real-world MPG. EPA fuel economy estimates for the Ram with the new turbocharged inline 6 start at 18 mpg city and 25 mpg highway. Adding four-wheel drive subtracts 1 mpg from each metric. Currently, the high-output version of the inline 6 is available with four-wheel drive only, and that combination returns 15 mpg city and 21 mpg highway. The returning base V6 engine returns 20 mpg city and 25 mpg highway, 26 highway in the HFE model, and 19 city 24 highway with four-wheel drive. In our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, a truck equipped with the high-output inline 6 delivered 20 mpg, an improvement over the old V8. For more information about the 1500's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the Ram 1500 has supremely functional cubby stowage and cavernous passenger space. Ram 1500's crew cab is supremely spacious. It also has vast amounts of interior storage and a unique split folding tailgate. Both the 5'7" and 6'4" cargo beds are available, but the extended cab body style only pairs with the latter. Infotainment and connectivity. Ram trucks have had one of the best infotainment systems and connectivity features in the class for a while. That continues in the latest trucks, which have either a responsive 12.0-inch or an optional 14.5-inch touchscreen. Both systems are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, and even the larger touchscreen includes a handful of redundant knobs and buttons. A 10.3-inch passenger display is also available and provides access to entertainment and navigation functions. Safety and driver assistance features. The Ram 1500 has a host of available driver assistance technology that range from automated emergency braking to lane keeping assist. Some models can be had with Ram's advanced adaptive cruise control system, which incorporates a hands-free driving mode. For more information about the Ram 1500's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control with a hands-free driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. Ram has a competitive limited and powertrain warranty that is on par with the rest of the full-size pickup truck class. Unlike the Sierra and Silverado, as well as the Toyota Tundra, the Ram offers no complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. 2025 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab 4x4. Vehicle type, front engine, rear/four-wheel drive, 5-passenger, 4-door pickup. Price, base as tested, $77,150/$89,240. Engine, twin turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 24-valve inline 6, aluminum block and head, direct fuel injection. Displacement 183 inches cubed, 2,993 centimeters cubed. Power 540 horsepower at 5,700 RPM. Torque 521 pound-feet at 3,500 RPM. Transmission 8-speed automatic. Chassis, suspension F/R, control arm/live axle. Brakes F/R, 14.9-inch vented disc/14.8-inch disc. Tires, Goodyear Wrangler Sur Verde all season, 285 by 45 R22 114H M+S. Dimensions, wheelbase 153.5 inches, length 241.3 inches, width 81.2 inches, height 77.5 to 79.5 inches. Passenger volume F/R, 64/68 feet cubed. Curb weight 5,967 pounds. CD test results: 60 miles per hour, 4.2 seconds. 100 miles per hour, 11.1 seconds. 1/4 mile, 12.8 seconds at 106 miles per hour. Results above omit 1 foot rollout of 0.3 seconds. Rolling start 5 through 60 miles per hour, 5.6 seconds. Top gear 30 to 50 miles per hour, 2.8 seconds. Top gear 50 to 70 miles per hour, 3.4 seconds. Top speed government limited, 106 miles per hour. Braking 70 to 0 miles per hour, 194 feet. Road holding 300-foot skid pad, 0.75 G. CD fuel economy observed 14 mpg. 75 mile per hour highway driving 20 mpg. 75 mile per hour highway range 660 miles. EPA fuel economy combined 17, city 15, highway 21.
View interior photos of the 2025 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab 4x4. The 2025 Ram 1500's interior maintains its position at the head of the class. The 2025 Ram 1500 interior is seen here in limited trim. This Ram 1500 Limited was optioned with the larger center touchscreen and the optional passenger display. The Ram 1500's dial shifter is on the dashboard and the instrumentation is screen-based. A vertically oriented 14.5-inch center touchscreen is available.